The ensemble features a dramatic, oversized sculptural color crafted from repurposed fabrics, symbolizing strength and fearless individuality. A sheer-fitted top, symmetrical, fur-textured sleeve made from reclaimed materials adds contrast, luxury, and edge. The structured layer shirt and cut-edge waist create a commanding silhouette that blends elegance with rebellion. The blindfold element signifies breaking free from society judgment and seeing beauty beyond labels, brands, or imperfections. Every stitch and panel tells a story of transformation where old clothes gain new life and become a statement of environmental awareness. This avant-garde creation is more than fashion. It is a movement that celebrates sustainability, imagination, and the power of turning waste into wearable art. Designer Halima and Micah. Our next contestant, an OFW Warriors walks in strength, clad in upcycled denim turned into avant-garde armor. Each represents a mark of survival and resilience. His Shaman King-inspired headpiece radiates like the sun, symbolizing healing and ancestral power. Chains reflects the waves. A flowing cape completes the look, a modern hero rising through every storm. Billyator is a statement, from hardship to power, sentinel for their family and Filipino spirits, endures and overcomes. Designer, NP Magallanes. Next contestant, Mr. Mark Francis. This men's avant-garde look pairs a half-trench jacket with a sheer upper panel, disrupting classical tailoring while preserving authority. The gray fabric printed with branch motifs echoes winter forest and urban ruins. Nature rewritten through structure. Precisely, cut trousers mirror the same textile language for cohesion and intent. The box-set shoulder piece functions as a sculptural emblem. Intelligence, restraint, and predatory calm fuses into the garment. A silhouette for men who treat fashion as presence, controlled, defiant. He does not chase attention. He lets it sense him. Designer. Mark Francis. Our next contestant, Mr. Christian Dumont. Another comforter's poppers, transforming comfort into couture. Through exaggerated volume, sculptural form and sustainable reinvention. Reimagined from discarded bed pampers, this avant-garde design merges insulation with innovation. A sculptural exploration of sustainability, upcycled bed conformist paper materials, reconstructed into avant-garde fashion or tega. Our next contestant, Briggs Wong. Every year marks a heartbeat, a memory, a future still unwritten. Aluminum wire binds the vision with resilience, sculpting silhouettes that refuse to break. Recycled fabrics return for conservation. A plain mat in the shoulders honors strength and happiness because joy remains a human right. Acrylic paint symbolizes richness in a high-end artistry. For the first time in the kingdom, optic lighting illuminates the pieces. Each pulse is hope cutting through blackouts. Bankruptcies and broken promises. This collection answers a world in chaos, conflict in the Middle East, inflation stealing futures, wars erasing childhoods, dreams buried under rubble. With everything it asks, clocks don't wait. Do we hesitate or create? So it is time for love. When algorithms feed hate. Time for kindness when the world roars with anger. Time for unity across borders and broken neighborhoods. Time for forgiveness where families are divided. Time for world peace because the next crisis owns the hour. The verdict cannot hear them. The moment war is extend. Act now or watch it end. This is not just fashion. It is a call to humanity. Sculpted in gold, wired in resilience, and lit by gold. Our next contestant, Mr. Robert Bertillo, representing Al Suwaidi, Riyadh.